Tired of manually typing each DNS record when moving domains to Cloudflare? Import them all at once in under 2 minutes. No more copy-pasting, no more worrying you missed one. It's all done with a single file upload. I'll show you exactly how to prepare your file and import it into Cloudflare's DNS settings. Let's start. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, it takes about 30 seconds to set one up. Make sure you're on the main overview page where you can see all your domains listed. Now, click on the domain you want to work on. Just find it in the list and give it a click. This opens up that specific domain's settings panel. On the left side panel, find and click DNS. It's usually right there under the SSL/TLS section. This brings you to the main DNS management area for that domain. Inside that DNS section, click on Records. This is where you'll see any existing DNS entries you already have. If this is a brand new domain, it might be completely empty. That is totally fine. At the top of the Records page, you'll see an Import button. Click it. This opens a small window where you can choose a file from your computer. Now choose your DNS record file. Here is the really important part. The file needs to be in a specific format. Cloudflare accepts CSV files, which stands for comma-separated values. Each row in your file represents one record. The columns need to be in this order: type, name, content, TTL, and proxy status. For example, a row might look like A, www, 192.0.2.1, 120, true. The true at the end means Cloudflare's proxy is turned on for that record. You can create this file in something like Notepad, Excel, or Google Sheets. Just make sure it saves as a CSV. Many DNS providers let you export your records in this format directly. If yours does, that saves you a ton of time. So once your file is ready and selected, click Upload. This might take a moment to process, depending on how many records you have. Cloudflare will scan the file and show you a preview of everything it's about to add. Take a careful look at that preview. Double-check that the names, IP addresses, and record types all look correct. After the upload completes, check that all records appear correctly in your records list. Scroll through to make sure nothing is missing. If something looks wrong, you can delete a single record and re-add it manually, but hopefully that won't be necessary. If any records failed to import, here is how to fix common issues. The most frequent problem is a duplicate record. Cloudflare will reject an import if the exact same combination of type, name, and content already exists. Another common issue is an incorrect format, like a missing comma or a misspelled record type. Cloudflare will usually tell you exactly which line has the problem. Just go back to your CSV file, fix that one row, and try the upload again. Most errors are one simple fix away. Finally, verify your DNS is working with a quick check. Use a free online DNS lookup tool, or just visit your domain in a browser. If you migrated a website, it should load normally. You can also use the command prompt on your computer and type ping followed by your domain name to see if it resolves to the right IP address. Propagation can take a few minutes or up to an hour in some cases, but if everything looks good in your Cloudflare dashboard, you are set. And that is it. No more tedious manual entry. You just imported all your DNS records in minutes instead of hours. This is exactly the kind of tested process we use at RenderTest, and it works every time. Thanks for following along.